Welcome to Rudy's RV Care and Maintenance video series. Today's helpful RV roofing care ideas are presented by Rudy's good friend, Mark Polk, from RV Education 101.
Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Whenever I discuss RV roof care and maintenance, I like to start with the basics like washing the roof and treating it with a quality protective treatment. The products I use for cleaning and protecting the RV roof are Dicor products, ready-to-use roof cleaner and roof guard protective treatment. I'm going to demonstrate on a rubber roof, but this product will work on many different kinds of roofing. Let's head up on the roof and see how it's done. Prior to cleaning the roof, it's a good idea to rinse the sides, front, and back of the RV. Never use products that contain petroleum distillates, citric ingredients, or harsh abrasives on your RV roof. Dicor's roof cleaner is formulated specifically for RV roofing and is safe for regular use on all RV roofing and exterior surfaces. It contains water softening agents to combat hard water spotting and can be used on boats, automobiles, and motorcycles too. Start by rinsing the roof to remove any loose dirt or debris. Next, spray the Dicor roof cleaner directly onto dirty roof surfaces. I like to start at the front and work towards the rear of the RV. Caution: be careful walking and working on the RV roof. Do not walk backwards without looking behind you. There are protruding vents, caps, and pipes you can trip over and lose your balance. Using a sponge, medium bristle brush, wash mitt, or cloth, scrub the surface in a circular motion. It works best if you work in 3 by 3 foot sections at a time. After cleaning a section of the roof, rinse with water. It may be necessary to repeat the process on stubborn stains. After the roof is dry, spray the treatment directly on the clean roof surface. Avoid direct sunlight and, like the cleaner, work in 3 by 3 foot sections. To provide even coverage, it's best to wipe the area with a soft cloth or use a sponge mop. That's all there is to keeping your RV roof clean and protected. This simple preventive care and maintenance procedure can add years of life to your RV roof. For maximum UV protection, you can reapply the Dicor Roof Guard treatment monthly or after each cleaning. We'll see you right back here again next time with more RV care and maintenance tips and hints. Until then, take a minute to visit www.dicor.com and be sure to check out all of Rudy's RV care and maintenance videos.
We hope you found this video helpful. Please visit our website for more of Rudy's helpful roofing resources.